Keto Cocktails and Karma Road Trip Edition. We're ketoing it up on the road, showing you how to do it. All right, here's your keto must-haves when you are hitting the road, or even, everyday driving. First off, jerky. Quick, easy protein grab, especially if you're intermittent fasting too. Breaking on a protein is essential. This is my favorite brand. Got at Costco, very thinly sliced, amazing. Next, assortment of nuts. This is pistachios. We got almonds and more pistachios. Another quick, easy, satisfying protein. Fix it while it's getting good. Next, what I recommend, especially if you stop to do Mexican, get some fajitas somewhere, bring your own low-carb tortillas. Absolute must to do. Helps you keep it keto all the time. Also, when you have the drive-through and you're really hanging for that burger, you're tired of doing the carb, friendly way, just doing a lettuce wrap, I suggest get carb buns. I keep them in this tote, keeps them nice and fresh. Makes it easy. You can get a burger anywhere. Whether it's fast food or slow food, keep those babies in your car, bring the bun in. Okay, well, here's some quick grabs for when you're on a keto road trip. Keep it easy, keep it keto. Take care.